The D sound in duck. Pronunciation Activation Pack 25. Duck, duh. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the consonant sound duh. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the duh sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the duh sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the duh sound correctly. Plosives. The duh sound is a voiced alveolar plosive made by blocking the airflow with the tongue on the alveolar ridge and then releasing it explosively. The duh sound in the chart is shown in green, which means that it's voiced. Each of the consonant sounds on the first two rows of consonants make up an unvoiced and a voiced pair. The only difference between the unvoiced and voiced pairs is the use of the vocal cords while saying them. T, duh. Letter combinations for duh. The consonant sound duh has the following letter combinations: D, double D, and ED, and rarely DH and T. In some words, the letter D appears but is not heard. We call this the silent letter D. Practice. Ducks do dive deeply in the middle of muddy puddles. Practice. Dan's dad's mad. Practice. I doubt a Taoist disciple does dream of deities. Practice. Buddha rode down the Danube on a lopsided dhow. Silent letter D. The silent letter D is often found after the letter combination AN. It's also found when the D comes in the middle of a word and is followed by a consonant. D is also silent in the letter combination DG. Practice. My handsome grandfather's sandwich. Practice. Badgers on the edge of the sedge in Windsor. Practice. A curmudgeon wedged on a ledge by a sandstone bridge. Practice. On Wednesdays, I want a wedge of squidgy fudge. Problems for students. There's normally no problem with spelling, as duh is usually D or double D, though the silent letter D can cause confusion. The main problem for students is between minimal pairs which contain t or duh. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at a set of minimal pairs which differ only in the sounds t or duh. resources and activators. As with all my English activation packs, this activation pack has valuable resources to help you activate the language in this lesson. Download the resources from the link at the top left. You'll also find the activators at the end of the pack. These will give you plenty of exercises to help you make the language in this lesson part of your active vocabulary. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all learning the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.